So in the previous video, we learned how to install Anaconda and also got a chance to explore some of the functionalities of Anaconda. And one of the functionalities or tool that we explored was IPython, which is a shell. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do basic mathematics operations in using shell or in interactive interface like shell. So and we're gonna look at the most simple operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and some kind of combination of the two. So Python allows you to do a lot of very simple and also very complicated calculations, and this will be very, very important for people who are doing analysis, people who are getting into data analytics and all that. And we are going to learn this in a way that anyone who is very new, doesn't have got any kind of programming language, can get their hands and learn it within the shortest time possible. So the videos are going to be very short and very straight to the point. So let's start with the basic operations like addition. So Python allows you to do addition by simply using the addition sign in your keyboard. So 3 plus 4, the answer should be 7. You can see the output is 7. We can also do subtraction. 10 minus 8 should give us 2. Another complicated, we can make a simple multiplication. 2 multiplied, let's say 2 times. So times in Python is simply the star. So 2 times 3, and then you press enter or return on your keyboard. It should give you 6. So let's try something complicated. 6 plus 21 divided by 3. So if you look at this answer, if you remember from your elementary maths, the first operation or this answer should be 27, because 6 plus 21 should be 27, and then divided by 3 should be 9. So our final answer should be 9, but that doesn't happen with Python. You can see it's giving us 13, because Python will usually perform division or multiplication operations before any kind of addition or subtraction operation. So for us to force it to follow the rules of BODMAS, we need to add brackets. So we can do bracket 6 plus 21 and then divide by 3, and that should give us the 9. So that is how Python works. So remember, it does the multiplication or division operations before the addition or subtraction, and if you want to force it to do so, to follow the BODMAS, you have to include your brackets. The next idea or the next operation I want us to look at is the division operation. So you notice that if we do 12, division is simply /. So look at / in your keyboard. 12 divided by 7, the answer should be 1 remainder 5. So the rest is just the decimal place. But at times you might want just to return the integer part of this answer, so that is 1, because we know 12 divided by 7 is 1 remainder 5. So you just want to return the whole number part or the integer part of it. So if you want to do that, then you have to use the operation known as floor division. Floor division is basically 2 / in Python, and this will only return the integer part of the answer. So we can clear our screen by typing clear to have more space. The next one is sometimes you don't want to return the integer, you just want to return the fractional part or the remainder. So 12, we know 12 divided by 7 should be 1 remainder 5. So if I only want to return the remainder, then I will use the operation known as the remainder operation, which is normally the percent sign in your keyboard. So 12 %7, so it's gonna return 5 because that's the remainder. We can also do what we know as exponential calculation. So maybe you want to have 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 5, maybe 3 times 10 raised to power 8, speed of light, something like that. So 2 raised to power 2 is simply double star sign or the asterisk and then 2. So that will give us 4. And then we can do 2 raised to power 3, which will give us 8. 2 raised to power 4, just double sign, and then you change the power to 4. That will give us 16. So that is kind of the quick introduction to numbers in Python. So feel free to practice different calculations, different combination of the operations. And if you like the content of the video, hit the subscribe button so that you get notifications when I uploaded a new video. Thank you.